Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're getting up close and personal with one of the most famous flowers in the world, roses. They're beautiful, they smell amazing to some people, and they've been in more love songs than any other plant. Let's find out what makes roses so special and maybe crack a few jokes along the way. So, what is a rose? A rose is a flowering plant that comes in all kinds of colors: red, pink, yellow, white, orange, even blue if you're feeling fancy. Each color can mean something different. Red means love, yellow roses mean friendship, white rose represents peace, and pink roses represents sweetness. So basically, roses are like emojis that grow in your yard. Fun fact: there are over 300 species of roses and thousands of varieties. That's more types of roses than there are flavors of ice cream, and that's saying something. Now, when you look closely at a rose, you'll see layers and layers of petals, kind of like nature's versions of a fancy wedding cake. The petals are soft, but the stems have thorns. Those thorns aren't just there to poke you, they help protect the plant from animals that might want to snack. It's like the rose saying, "Admire me, but don't touch me." Fun facts: roses have been around for millions of years, even before humans. So, roses are basically ancient celebrities. Roses love sunlight, water, and good soil, just like most plants. They grow from seeds or cuttings, and gardeners often prune them, that means trimming, to help them grow stronger. Think of pruning like a haircut. It helps the rose look fresh and fabulous. Bees and butterflies love roses because of their sweet smell and pollen. When they visit, they help the rose make seeds for new plants. It's teamwork. The bees get food, and the roses get to make new roses. Nature's version of a win win. So, the next time you see a rose, remember it's not just a pretty flower, it's a tough, ancient, sweet smelling superstar with a few thorns thrown in. Whether it's in your garden, a bouquet, or a Valentine's Day card, roses always know how to steal the spotlight. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay kind, and keep blooming like a rose. Just skip the thorn parts.